All right, just leaving the apartment. It is the day before Thanksgiving. We're going to Canal Street to buy some illegal stuff, and who knows what else we'll get into today. Now, our first bagel in New York. Must be pretty dang popular. Okay, first New York bagel was delicious. I had a blueberry one with strawberry cream cheese. Oh goodness. Now it's Subway time. We're starting to kind of figure it out though. All right, here's Canal Streets. All right, so that didn't take long for Sarah to find us a person who's taking us somewhere, and I'm sure I can't film any more of this, so I'm gonna turn the camera off now.
4 seconds.
Yeah,
as soon as we got out this.
Did not take long. You saw Sarah? Oh, you need things? I got a lot. Follow me. Okay, so very interesting experience here on Canal Street. They have a bunch of lookouts. There's Chinese ladies. They bring out these little pamphlets, show you all the purses. You pick what you want. They run away, bring it back, show it to you real quick, and then they have lookouts all around. And yeah, pretty shady stuff. But we got some stuff. Okay, so we're at it again. Because of course, we need more bags. And they usually bring you right here in front of this building, whatever this is. And then they just come running up with their little black bags. You look through it, give them cash, and run away. And then they just disappear magically. All right, now we gotta get out of here before we go. I got the hiccups. All right.
Ryan made the cardinal sin. He showed the money that he had.
At the end. All right, now we got to get out of here before we go to jail. Oh, and me and Jackson got Rolexes for 100 bucks a piece, and they look pretty dang good. Okay, so pro tip. So the Chinese ladies have better quality, but back there, it seems like mostly Jamaican dudes have stuff just laid out along the street. A little lower quality, but less price, and you can buy jars of weed.
Well, it's easy to find them.
Craziness. Okay, now we're gonna go up here and hit up Little Italy, and I think this is also maybe the beginning. Yeah, got to be the beginning of Chinatown over there. All right, we found it. So welcome to Little Italy. Tons and tons and tons of shops.
We had the most delicious cannolis and tiramisu in Little Italy, but then it was time to head over to Chinatown.
Man, that duck back there looked delicious. Don't tell them what kind of goodies we're gonna find up in here. What'd you say it was?
Just a little bamboo fungus with pea sprouts.
Oh.
Very tasty. Or you can get your fungus with egg tofu.
I don't know how I like my fungus.
I'm not really sure either.
But I do know I like some duck. So I think I'm gonna do a half of the Peking duck. We gotta do some fried chicken wings, and I think we're gonna skip the jellyfish. It's a Chinese pancake, I think. So she said take that, put this and that, and the duck inside. We got some chicken wings, some kind of soup down there, big old thing of shrimp fried rice, and it is delicious. All right, going thrifting now. We're gonna go hit some thrift shops. Hold on. Oh man, look at the lobsters. All right, well, the guys found them a thrift store. They're in there thrifting, popping some tags. But I was just gonna say, this is a really, really neat area of New York. You can see how it's such a melting pot with Little Italy, Chinatown right there, like a little Jamaica. Just a super, super cool vibe down here. I like it. Do kind of miss the country a little bit though, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so I think we're in Brooklyn. Pretty sure we're in Brooklyn. All right, so this is evidently the vintage store that the boys wanted to come to. And get you some boots. All kind of cool stuff. Let's see what Sarah's found. What have you found so far yet, babe?
This glorious frock.
Oh, that's you.
Isn't that beautiful?
That is you. We did it. Sarah, you're the best daggum subway navigator I ever did see, babe.
Someday. That's kind of figured it out.
All right, so now we're going to see the Rockettes, so Sarah can do her high kicks. Wow,
I know,
pretty
that was
dang,
so good.
pretty dang impressive, even with no warm up.
Show them your high kick.
I think it came up in the camera. I'm not really sure. Anyway, appreciate you guys hanging out with us today. Get a video, big old like, and
Subscribe.
yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow for Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.